Hi yoga kids! In yoga we do a lot of breathing exercises because the breath is very, very, very important. If we listen to the breath, it can make us feel calm. And if we breathe right, it can keep us healthy. Before I'm going to teach you some funny breathing exercises, shall we look at the normal breath first? If it's very cold outside, we can see our breath. If we haven't brushed our teeth yet, sometimes we can smell our breath. Ooh. But did you know that you can also feel your breath? Do you want to try it with me? Let's first make sure we sit nice and comfortable with a straight back. Then we close our eyes. If you're very quiet, can you hear your breath? And now can you feel your breath? I sometimes feel mine in my nose, sometimes in my chest, and sometimes in my tummy. Where do you feel yours right now? If it's hard for you to feel your breath, you can also try to imagine your breath. You can imagine that your breath has a color, your favorite color. Mine is yellow. And now you can imagine your breath going in and out of your body. Look, can you see mine? Sometimes though, when I feel a little bit worried or upset or scared, all of a sudden my breath is in my chest. I think the same might happen for you sometimes. Imagine you're walking in the jungle and all of a sudden you hear a scary sound. You look around you and there's a tiger. You got so scared, you took a big gulp of air and you forgot to breathe out. And now you're breathing really short breaths. Want to try that with me? Watch out, because it doesn't feel very good. But let's try it just for now. Here comes the tiger. That didn't feel so good, eh? Now let's try breathing to our bellies, because that does make us feel very good. Now let's take a deep and long breath into our bellies. You can color your breath again. And when you breathe in, make sure the breath fills the belly all the way up. And when you breathe out, the breath goes all the way out. All the air that came in goes all the way out again, nice and slow. Shall we do it 2 more times together? You can bring your hands onto your belly and you breathe all the way towards your hands. And breathe out. You feel your hands rising and sinking? Inhale, breath in. And exhale, breath out. Feel better now? Me too. It's like magic. I like feeling my breath. Next time, I'm going to teach you some funny exercises. There's even a breath where we act like a lion. See you next time. Bye.